Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a thumbnail and how to upload a thumbnail. Okay, so the apps you're going to need are Pinterest, PicsArt, Phonto, YouTube Studio, and Safari. I will also put that list on the screen, but let's get into it. So first you want to go to let's just use this one. So you're going to go to Safari and you're going to go to remove background, upload image, so I'm just going to pick this picture and it'll automatically remove the background. See? And then I press download, click the arrow, click on the picture, press the share button, and click save image. Okay, now you want to go to Pinterest or you can go to Safari. Let's just use one of these. So you click the three dots and you click save. Okay, now you want to go to PicsArt. Hold on. Anyway, so I already have a picture that's like the size, but you can customize the size on here. You go to tools and you go to crop, I believe, and then you click this and you can put in the ratios for YouTube, or it automatically do it for you. Okay, now let's just add that picture that we cropped out, and we just gonna add that picture like that, and then you're gonna put some stickers or whatever you want to put on there. So I'm just gonna search some random shit because I'm just showing y'all like a tutorial. So I'm gonna just put like YouTube stuff. So as you can see, it pops up all this stuff that you can put on your on anything. Honestly, you can put it on videos, you can put it on other stuff. Let's see what's in my recent. Let's do like a circle maybe or something. Okay, I'm just gonna pick this one. So I'm gonna just make this like that, and I can just crop this image a little bit. Let me see. Crop it, and then I'm gonna just make this pretty basic. So then I'm gonna add some text. So this is where the part where you want to go into Phonto. First save this and then go into, okay, so we on Phonto, you click on the camera and then you click photo album and click done, and then you want to add text like makeup tutorial. Or let's do something different. Let's add like a text bubble. Let me see. Okay. Now we're gonna add some text. In quotes, we're gonna put OMG, I love your makeup. Well, I don't know why that's not working, but okay. Okay. Now let's change the color. Let's make it brown since the background is brown. Maybe like this color. Put a little small stroke on there. Probably like that. And then we gonna size it down. Maybe put a little curve to it. And then size it down a little bit more. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's fine. So now we're gonna save this as an image in PicsArt. PicsArt do have ads, but it's not that bad all the time, for the most part. Okay, we're back in here. Now we're gonna add some finishing touches, like whatever you want. This, to get this, you want to go to stickers and search DDG. Okay, that pops up, but I don't know, it used to just pop up. That's weird. But anyway, let's get, not that way. Let's get this and press apply. And then we're gonna do like, let's see if we can find some compliments. To like just add around myself. I don't see many that's like Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit of glitter. Apply. And then we're gonna press next. Not next, I'm sorry. You're gonna press this arrow up here. And you're gonna press save. Done. Okay, now to upload. So let's go to YouTube Studio. Okay. So you go to YouTube Studio and you go to your content, and like say for instance you upload something, right? Like let's click on this first video for example, and let's press this pencil, and then you click the little like mountain at the top left, and that's how you like pick your thumbnail. And then you can do all your other stuff on here as well if you would like. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys learned something from me today. Yeah. All right.